This video is being sponsored by Tommy Chong CBD. That's right, guys. The stoner that everybody loves, Tommy Chong, has his own CBD line. Click the link that's in the description to check it out for yourself. Use code CBD20Life to get 20% off your order with Tommy Chong's CBD. What's good, everybody? In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 different types of affiliate programs you can join as a 420 YouTuber, even if you have 0 views and 0 subscribers. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. Alright guys, Bass Drop Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. And in today's video, guys, we have another great video for the Coach Keys playlist. These are the videos that I'm doing to help other people who want to follow in my footsteps and become 420 YouTubers as well. On the last video that we did, I told you 10 ways that 420 YouTubers make their money and 10 ways that you can make money as a 420 YouTuber as well. One of the ways that we talked about in the last video is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is how I make the majority of my income as a 420 YouTuber. In today's video, what we're going to do is I have 3 different areas, and I'm going to give you examples in each area, 3 different affiliate areas where you can make money as a brand new 420 YouTuber. So anybody who is thinking about following in my footsteps and becoming a 420 YouTuber, but you don't have any connections or anything to get started, this video is going to be the one that's going to help you. Alright guys, so before I go any further in the video, let's go ahead and do today's video goal. I'm aiming for 200 likes on this video. If I say something that you have never heard before, or I say something that you think you'll be able to use yourself, make sure that you go ahead and give me the thumbs up so that way the video will get in front of more people. Alright guys, so we just handled the video goal. Let's go ahead and get into the meat and potatoes of this video. If you didn't watch the last video, I will put the link in the description and I will put the card up here so that way everybody can watch the last video. A lot of great information is in that video. The 10 ways that 420 YouTubers or content creators make our money. That's a great video. Now, just to do a little recap, today we're talking about affiliate marketing. If you don't even know what I'm talking about when we're talking about affiliate marketing is great. What affiliate marketing is you join some kind of affiliate program, and whenever you join that affiliate program, they're going to give you links that you can put in your content, in your blog, in your Facebook group, wherever it is that you have an audience. You can put these different links in that particular place, and whenever somebody clicks on your link and buys a particular product, you get a commission for the sale because you are the person that introduced that company or that product to the individual. So now that we all know what affiliate marketing is, let's go ahead and get into the meat and potatoes of this video in no particular order. This is the first area where you, as a brand new 420 YouTuber or content creator, can make money in the affiliate program area. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is number 1. All right guys, so the first area that we're going to cover is something that's become really popular over the past couple years, and that's CBD. If you guys don't know what that is, CBD is actually the non-psychoactive part of the cannabis plant. That's the part that gives you a lot of medical benefits, but you don't get high necessarily. If you guys are aspiring to be a 420 YouTuber or content creator, then I'm going to go ahead and assume that you know what CBD is, so I'm not going to go through that. What I want to talk to you guys about is there is a lot of companies right now that is doing affiliate marketing in the CBD area. So this is a place where somebody who is brand new can actually get in an affiliate program and start making money right away without any views or any subscribers. Whoever it is that you're talking to, whether it's your best friend, your mom, your uncle, whatever the case is, if you're telling them about something that works for you, then they're more likely to want to try it out for themselves. So you don't need any views or any subscribers to actually get in a CBD affiliate program. Now, at the beginning of the video, I told you guys that I would actually give you the area, which is CBD, but I would also go a step further and actually give you some examples so that way I can get you guys started and you can go ahead and start making some money right away if you choose to do what I'm showing you how to do right now. Now, one of the reputable affiliate programs for 420 YouTubers that you can join right now without any views or any subscribers is Canna Affiliate. Canna Affiliate is a great program. The number one thing that's great about them is as soon as you join the affiliate program, they're going to give you a $20 bonus, which is great. The second thing that's great about Canna Affiliate is they have a lot of CBD companies that you can work with if you so choose. Canna Affiliate is really easy to use. Whenever you make your account and you get in to your account, all you're going to do is you're going to go on the left hand side where it says offers, and you're going to look at the live offers. As soon as you hit live offers, right there on the right hand side, you're going to see a lot of CBD companies, and you can actually see the percentage of commission that they will offer you for the sales that you bring in. Let's go ahead and take it a step further. If you don't know exactly how to do it, this is what you would do. So in the beginning of your video, you can say something like, this video is being sponsored by Tommy Chong CBD. That's right, guys. The stoner that everybody loves, Tommy Chong, has his own CBD line. Click the link that's in the description to check it out for yourself. Use code CBD20Life to get 20% off your order with Tommy Chong's CBD. Or if you want to do it in the middle of your video, you could, continue, do your video, do your content like you normally would do it. Then in the middle of the video, you can be like, guys, real quickly here, let's thank the sponsor. Today's sponsor is whatever CBD. They're going to give you, a lot of the CBD companies, they're going to give you any discount codes that they have right there in the offer in Canna Affiliate. So Canna Affiliate is great. All you got to do is look at the list. When you find something that you think might interest your audience, you just click on that and it's going to give you all the information right there. All the links and everything is going to be right there. All you have to do is put it inside your video whenever somebody clicks on the link because they're interested in, whatever it is that you're offering them and they make a sale, you're going to get a commission on that. I would also advise you as a brand new 420 YouTuber to actually make content about the different things that you're interested in your audience buying. So if you want them to purchase CBD, then it might be a good thing for you to actually do videos on CBD or tell how CBD has helped you, or actually try the product out yourself so that way you can actually give a 100% recommendation. You don't want to do stuff just for the money. People are going to see through you. You actually want to be knowledgeable about a product and then offer it to your audience. Like I told you, what I do is I go after people and I go after companies that I already know about, that I already like. So that way it's seamless with me trying to offer it to somebody else because I already like the product to begin with, or already like the company to begin with. And so it's easy for me to offer it to somebody else. If you're going to be doing this, what you want to do is you want to get acquainted with whatever products that you're trying to pitch and find out which ones work for you, so that way you can make a genuine offer and you don't have to fake anything and everything is legit. But whenever you do that, you're going to put those links that they give you in the description box, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, or whatever the case is, or even just you talking to one of your friends on Facebook and you put it and they ask for the link and you give it to them in their inbox. Whatever the case is, you can put it in your blog, you can put it wherever you want to put it. When somebody clicks on that link and goes over and make a purchase, you get a commission, and you don't need any subscribers in order to do this. You can join Canna Affiliate right now and other affiliate programs and start making money right now. But that's the first one. CBD. CBD is very popular right now, and there are a lot of CBD affiliate programs. If you don't want to go through an affiliate program like Canna Affiliate, just Google it and you'll see that a lot of individual companies. So if there's a CBD company that you already like, go ahead and Google and see if they have an affiliate program. Most likely they probably do, especially if they're a big one, and you can start making money for driving people to their site and driving people to make purchases, because when they make a purchase, you get a commission. The first area that you guys really want to get into with 0 subscribers, 0 views, CBD. Let's go ahead and go to the second one. So the second area that we're going to be talking about when it comes to affiliate programs that you can get in with 0 views and 0 subscribers is smoking accessories. So we covered CBD. That's one area in itself. Smoking accessories is a whole nother area. If you're going to be dabbing and smoking and that kind of thing, then you're going to need rigs, recyclers, dab mats, dabbers, torches, e-nails, that kind of stuff. And there are a lot of companies that have affiliate programs that you can get in with 0 subscribers, 0 views. For instance, there's companies like Smoke Cartel that you can join their affiliate program right now. I will leave the link in the description for you so you can just click on it and join if you want to join. But different online smoke shops actually offer affiliate programs now. So just like I was saying before with the CBD, if there is a glass company that you like, go ahead and Google whatever glass affiliate program and see if that company offers an affiliate program. Also, different subscription boxes like Hemper Glass, you can actually join their affiliate program and you can make commission on sales that you drive through the site as well. So anybody who likes the Hemper Glass boxes or different subscription boxes, a lot of those companies have affiliate programs. All you got to do is Google it. Once you Google it, you will see that there's a lot of online smoke shops and subscription boxes that offer affiliate links, and that's going to be easy content for you to do. Let's say that you signed up for the Hemper Glass subscription box. You might as well go ahead and sign up for the Hemper Glass affiliate program, so that way every month when you get in your box and you're doing your content about this is this month's Hemper box, when you're telling people about it, they're like, hey, I would like to get that too. You tell them, go ahead and click the link that's in the description. When they click the link, they're going to go over, they're going to sign up, they're going to, get whatever they're going to get, and you're going to get a commission on that for driving the sale. That's what affiliate marketing is. And once again, you do not need any subscribers. You do not need to get any views in order to join the affiliate program. The programs that we're talking about in this video, you can join these right now, whether you have a YouTube channel or not. You don't need one. You could have a blog. You could just be somebody who have a lot of friends that like to smoke and whatnot, and you could be making extra money right now. A lot of opportunity to make money in this space with smoking accessories through affiliate programs. Let's go ahead and go to the third and final space that we're going to be talking about right now. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so the third and final space that we're going to be talking about today, where you can make money right now with affiliate programs with 0 views and 0 subscribers, is seed banks. Now, you guys know I just started growing 75 days ago, and because of that, I've been looking at different seed banks all over the internet. What's so great about some of these seed banks is they have affiliate programs too. You don't need any views or any subscribers or have to have any kind of fan base in order to join these affiliate programs. Matter of fact, what I will do is, if you want to join the same one that I'm in, I will go ahead and put the link in the description for you. You click on it, and once you join the affiliate program, which is really easy to do, any sales that you help create, any sales that you drive, you get a 20% commission for the sales. Now, guys, 20% commission is a great commission. And think about this, you don't actually have to have any inventory yourself. All you have to do is basically introduce the person to whatever you're using. So if you're somebody who is a grower, or you aspire to be a grower, or you just talk to people who grow, period, seed bank affiliate programs are great. So if you want to join the same affiliate program that I'm in, I love 20% or more affiliate programs. I really enjoy that. If you're a 420 YouTuber, I told you that for the majority of the time, you're not going to be monetizing your content with Google AdSense. So if you're getting 5%, 10%, 3%, or whatever the case is, that's better than nothing, because like I said, majority of the time, you're not able to monetize your content through Google AdSense. So any money that you can make is great. But I really like the programs where you can make 20% or more commission whenever somebody makes a sale, because it really does add up. Any dollar is a good dollar these days for sure, but those 20% commissions is where it's at, and it adds up tremendously. So if you want to join the same affiliate program that I'm in, click the link that's in the description. It'll take you right over there. You just fill out the form and you'll be, joined up pretty soon. So guys, that's it. That's the 3 different areas that we're covering in this particular video. I got some more coming in, you already know that. But we did cover 3 areas where you, as a brand new 420 YouTuber or content creator, can join affiliate programs right now and start making money right now with 0 views, 0 subscribers. You don't even need to be a YouTuber to do this. You can have a blog, you can just have friends, word of mouth, however it is. You can make this happen today. If you don't want to do it as a career, like I said, you can most definitely do this to make extra money on the side, and who don't like extra money on the side? I want you guys to know that I'm almost finished getting everything situated so that we can get back into the recipes again. We got new recipes coming very soon, I promise you that. We're going to keep the Clueless Drinker videos going. We're going to keep the coaching videos going. All the content that you expect and like right here on the channel, food reviews, drink reviews, all that stuff. We're going to keep all that content going, but we're also adding these coaching videos as well. It seems to be helping a lot of people, and I love doing these videos. I really appreciate all the love, all the support from everybody. Until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.